Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, internet connected but browser not working Windows 11. First method is type Internet Options in Windows search bar, click Internet Options. Click Connections tab, click LAN Settings, uncheck Proxy Server, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Change DNS address. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run multiple commands one by one. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.